Hello everyone, and welcome back to another MainWP 101 video. Today, we're taking a look at the MainWP Maintenance add-on, a tool that helps you keep the databases of your child sites clean and optimized without needing to manually go through each one. Once you install the add-on, you'll find it in your dashboard under Add-ons, Maintenance. When you open it, you'll land on the Maintenance tab. Here you can pick exactly what you want to clean from your child sites. You can delete post revisions and define how many last ones to exclude. Delete post auto drafts, trash posts, spam comments, pending comments, and trash comments. You can even remove tags and categories that aren't associated with any posts. And of course, you can optimize the database tables too, which reorganizes the storage on the database level to make everything a bit faster. After you've selected what you want to clean, you just choose the child sites you want to run it on, and then click Run Maintenance. That's it. The add-on does the rest. Now, if you don't want to think about database cleanup manually, you can also set it on autopilot by creating a schedule. Just switch to the Schedules tab and click Create New Schedule. Give the schedule a title and choose how often it should run by selecting the number of times per day, week, month, or year. Select which tasks you want it to perform, and then pick the child sites you want it to apply to. Once you click Schedule Maintenance, MainWP will automatically clean up those databases for you based on the schedule you set. If you ever want to adjust a schedule later on, just find it in the Schedules tab, click Edit, tweak whatever you need, and save the changes. From here, you can also manually run a schedule, or if you no longer need one, you can just delete it from the same page. One important tip before you run any maintenance: we always recommend having your database frequently backed up, just in case you want to roll something back. Besides cleaning, remember that optimization is also a huge benefit here. Optimizing the database tables helps shrink their size and improve site performance not just for your WordPress backend, but for your visitors too. All in all, the Maintenance add-on is a really simple but powerful way to keep your sites healthy, fast, and efficient, without having to jump into each one individually. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, check out one of our other videos next. See you in the next one.